Hello friends, here I am back Sucha Soorma with a new video on making a wind turbine. So in this video I am going to tell you about all the material that we need for making a working model of a wind turbine, and also I am going to test the wind turbine on the basis of the speed of wind and the current produced. This is our wind turbine placed in front of the fan or wind source. Now make the connections of the dynamo to the ammeter, and it should be made so that the black terminal of the ammeter should be connected to the black output wire and the red terminal should be connected to the red output wire. As the connections are made, so it is the time to turn on the wind source. Turning on the fan makes the wind turbine rotates. At start, the reading of ammeter is at 0, then running the wind turbine at lowest speed, it increases to 2.1 or 2. Then again increasing this wind turbine speed, fan speed, the value increases to 2.5. On further increase in the speed of the wind, the value of the current output also increases, and in our design we achieve 3.0 or 3.1, and this value depends on your design.